Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about Salesforce Chatters. Chatter is one of those features that people often ignore at first, but once you understand what it is for, you realize it's actually Salesforce collaboration layer and works best when the collaboration is the context. If conversations are tied to record, process, themes, Chatter makes more sense. And if people already live inside Salesforce, Chatter keeps communication in one place, which is I love it. So today, instead of configuration details, we will focus on what the Chatter is and how it works, and when it makes sense to use it. Yeah, I think that here is the first question is like, what is Salesforce Chatters actually? And Salesforce Chatters is a communication tool. It allows user to collaborate directly inside Salesforce, like instead of emails, instead of like external chat apps or long message chains, right? So Chatter keeps conversation connected to records, data, and processes. So it's not just chat, it is context based collaboration. And also, let's talk about chat editions because this often causes confusion. Salesforce offers different chatter license depending on how users interact with the system. And the first one is chatter fee. The chatter fee users have a very limited access. They can see feeds, post updates, comments, and flow records, but they can't access standard object like Salesforce objects, like account opportunity, right? And this is very for useful for lightweight collaboration. The second one is Chatter only. Chatter only users have slightly more access. You can access like Chatter profile groups and some additional features, but they still don't have full Salesforce functionality. This is often used for external users who don't need customer relationship management access. Next one is Chatter External is designed for people outside the company, and I think like patterns, vendors, or external collaborations. They can be invited to chatter and collaborate, but their access is controlled and limited. So the key takeaway is chatter editions are about who needs to collaborate and how much access they need. And also, we will see charter groups where most charter collaboration actually happens. A charter groups is a shared space for discussions, updates, and files. We have three of them. The first one is public groups. Public groups are open. Anyone can join, see, post, and participate. Uh, these are great for company-wide topics or announcements. The second one is private topic, uh, private groups. Private groups are more controlled. Users must be added or approved to join. All members can see posts and discussions. Uh, this is useful for teams, projects, or sensitive topics. The third one is unlisted group. Unlisted group are the most restricted. They don't appear in search results. Only invited users even know the group exists. These are typically used for confidential collaboration. Okay, so yeah, Chatter also makes user profiles more useful, like profiles in Chatter show information like roles, activity, and collaboration. And this helps people understand who is working on what. Okay, and it needs a more social and human layer to Salesforce. And Chatter feeds show updates related to records, users, and groups you follow. Instead of searching for updates, they come to you. And each other recommendation helps surface relevant discussion or records. So this reduce noise and improves visibility, right? And yeah, and also we can also speak about the charter publisher actions. Publisher actions say define what the users can do from the charter feed. For example, post updates, log calls, create records, or launch custom actions. These actions turn Chatter from a communication tool into a productivity tool, right? The good point, Chatter can also work with automations using tool like Process Builder. Salesforce can automatically post and updates updates to Chatter. For example, when a record stats change, a Chatter post can be created automatically. This keeps everyone informed without manual effort. And also, let's summarize. Uh, Chatter is Salesforce collaboration layer. Charter is Charter editions control who can access what. Chatter groups organize conversations. Publisher actions and automations turn collaboration into actions. And the goal is always the same clear communication without leaving Salesforce. If you're learning Salesforce admin or app builder concepts, understanding Chatter helps you design better collaboration. In the future videos, so we can go deeper into configuration and real use cases. But for now, this overview gives you a strong foundation. See you in the next video.